Hi everyone, Amy here, and I have a quick little mini haul from A Cherry on Top. So it's not a huge order, but I like to share it with you because I know I'm always curious what everyone likes to get. So I'm going to show you what I got. To start, I got this really cool die from Catherine Pooler. It is called, what is it called? Don't know. Oh, Round of Happy Dies. So this is really cool because it's got these pieces that you separate here, and you can have just this one circle with the happy birthday. I guess you could probably also technically trim it out if you didn't want it in a circle. And then you also have this outer ring as well. So really cool. Maybe I'll die cut it for you so you can see and visualize what it looks like. Okay, and then next up, like I said, I just got a few things here. I'm sure you're shocked. You're completely shocked. I got more 3D embossing folders, but they keep coming out with new ones, and I can't resist. So this one, all to new Shattered Cubes 3D. So cool. So this would be really cool for just like a white on white subtle background, or maybe with some ink blending, or maybe with like the white core colored cardstock, but really cool for all around use, but also like geometric design for masculine cards. You guys know I always like those. This one, oh my gosh. Rose Bellevue 3D. I cannot even handle how pretty this is. Look. Oh, I should have showed you the back on the other one. Hold on. So look. This is the design here. So I'm assuming it's all different levels. So cool. I can't wait to see how this one does. Okay. And then this one, Rose Bellevue 3D. So look at this. It's even got the leaves here. I think this is so cool. Very excited. Okay. And then the final thing, actually, Fairy Tale Florals 3D. So this one is just beautiful. I kind of love it when they just take up a section so that it's not, you know, the whole card front necessarily. You can kind of pick and choose. But how pretty is that? So, okay, I'm going to bust into these and emboss some panels so you can see what it looks like. Hang tight. Okay, I ran them all through, and let's see how they look. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I love that. Okay, Rose Bellevue 3D. Oh man, this one just, I don't know, the edges seem softer somehow than normal. You can see there's the debossed side. I typically do the embossed side, but the debossed side is cool too. And then this one, I don't know if these are wiping off. It's a little different. I haven't had that happen on my other embossing folders. Have you had any of these start to wipe off? This is a little unfortunate. I haven't had that before. Anyway, okay. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Okay, now I die cut as well the die here. So I think you probably can separate it, but I'll probably just leave it be. I didn't realize that it actually cuts out 3 parts. So you have this happy birthday circle, then you have this part, this frame, and then this. So very cool. I cut this out of pattern paper, and I think I'm actually going to emboss this a second and turn this into a super quick and easy masculine card. So hang tight again, one sec. Okay, so I'm back. I'm going to show you these cards that I whipped together in a jiffy. So this cool new, I already forgot what it's called, Shattered Cubes 3D with the new die and some pattern paper. So I was able to use up some colored cardstock and pattern paper. And then this one I had to pull together in a card real quick too. So I put some little gems just in the center, some little pearls, and stamped a sympathy stamp, and that's it. So those came together really quickly. So again, if you aren't familiar, A Cherry on Top is a small business in Michigan, and that's where I got these from. So I will link the products that I got in the video description box below. So if you expand and scroll down, that's where you'll find that. And thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye.